Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Jasmine, and in this video I will be doing the 3 bead method. I will first be starting off with the first bead. With the first bead, you want to place it between the real nail and the tip, like where the tip meet. So there will be your first bead between the real nail and where the fake nail meet it. And you want to wipe that down. And you want to make sure that you clean your brush as you go, because you don't want your brush to be clogged up. And so with your second bead will be up from the first bead, not down. So your second bead would be up, like going towards the tip of the nail. This is your second bead. You want to brush, pat down, and brush. Make sure to clean your brush as you go. Sorry, going out the frame a little bit, but make sure you do your edges and clean your edges up. And this is your second bead, and you can also wipe down to make sure it's smooth. You see I'm still cleaning up the edges a little bit. And so your third bead will be your third bead is the cuticle bead. So you want to get a nice bead like this, and you want to use the tip of your brush and push downwards so that you can get that cuticle good, and then you want to brush upward. Make sure to be cleaning up the sides of your nail. Make sure you look at your nail from both sides, both angles, all angles. Make sure that your bead is nice and good, your nail is nice and smooth. And I also just added just a little bit at the tip of the nail, which I feel like it just needed just a pinch more for the tip. Right there, I just feel like it just needed just a little bit right there. And this is it. This is how you do the 3 bead method. It is really easy. Take your time. Make sure your beads are not too wet, not too dry. And this is it. This is how I do my 3 bead method. This is how you can do your 3 bead method for beginners only. Or even if you're not a beginner and you want to learn how to do nails, or you doing nails, this is how to do the 3 bead method. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified.